Mr. Badger, I'm going to wish you the best of luck. Maintain contact with us. Let us know where you are and what your contact information is. We'll be sending you a copy of the agreement. Make sure you review it and give Mr. French a call if you have any questions. Okay.
Okay.
Did he have anything to add? Mr. French, anything to add at all?
Nothing further from the defense, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. Badger, that concludes the hearing. You take care of yourself, and any questions at all you have, give Mr. French a call, okay?
Okay.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. French, thank you.
Thank you.
Do it in, guys. See, you're present. Do you have a matter that's ready to go? It's if so, we can address it at this time.
First, I have Mr. Brody Bennett. And that's on the 9 o'clock calendar, Your Honor.
See, I have in the O courts a reset request.
Yes, Your Honor. That is a defense motion to continue. And the reason that that we're requesting this to be continued is just so that we can enter hopefully a resolution of the next hearing. I did happen to review his court case, his case file this morning. There is a great deal of deferred prosecution paperwork. Just did not want to put that paperwork together this morning. For the record, I am appearing on his behalf pursuant to Rule 3.4 and appearing for attorney of record, Mr. Chris Cattenhorn. Therefore, because he's not here, we can't.
You're in touch with him, Mr. Radfield. Any objection? No. At the request of the defendant, we're going to set the matter over to March 28th. I'm signing that order as we speak. Sometimes the O court system will not let me sign the document for reasons known only to that system. I've signed it at this point. We'll send your client a copy of the order, and you can get one before you leave at the window.
Of course, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. You also have
next, Ms. Allison Connor, case 3A0859232. Again, Seth Tuninga for attorney of record, Mr. Chris Cattenhorn, appearing on my client's behalf pursuant to Rule 3.4. This is again a defense motion to continue to that same March date. Ms. Connor has completed her alcohol drug evaluation. We're just looking to get that treatment completed for the purposes of negotiations with the city.
Wonderful. Any objection from the city? No. The request of counsel through then we'll reset to March 28th at 9 o'clock. I'm signing the order. Trying to sign the order as we speak.
Alexander Davis, case number 3A0538042, appearing on my client's behalf pursuant to Rule 3.4. Mr. Davis had quite some difficulties getting an evaluation based on the fact that he lives in Portland. However, we have found an agency that is willing to do that online, and he is pursuing that lead now. So we're requesting a continuance to enable him.
Any objection from the city? No. That's always an issue. And you're in contact with Mr. Davis.
And I am appearing on his behalf.
Signing the reset to March 28th, requested by the defense. signed. Close. And once again, we'll be sending client a copy, and you can get a copy of all orders before you leave. How's the weather up your way?
And
You're lucky. I had a good 4 inches of snow up in Olympia. That's didn't realize you lived in Yelm. That's
yeah, it was a 5-minute drive over.
that was sigh.
But
No,
yes,
that
the weather report told me that Olympia had a rougher time than we did.
we did, but hey, by 7 o'clock, it just it was very wet and slushy, and that was no problem at all. Dry. Mr. Tuninga, that concludes your matters. Get copies of all orders at the window. You take care of yourself and drive carefully out there. And
Oh yes, I have many places to be, so don't worry, I'll be enjoying. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
Tuninga, thank you. You take care. Well, who do you want to take first? Let's take Anderson. Oh, the other. Got it. Okay. Try Robert Melvin first. Docket 7. Looks like there's a reset request in Oak Courts to go to 328. Mr. Bradshaw, good morning. You're muted. Go ahead and unmute yourself, and we'll take your matter at this time. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here on the McGahey matter.
You're here on behalf of Joshua Craig McGahey.
Correct, Your Honor. And standing in for attorney of record Rob Melvin. Today we're requesting a continuance. I've uploaded a motion for continuance into O Courts, putting this out to March 28th.
I'm looking at that now. City have any objection to resetting the matter to March 28th?
No.
Motion granted, signing the order as we speak.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're in touch with your client, I trust, and
Yes.
Mr. McGahey is in the courtroom. Mr. McGahey, I didn't realize that was you that was sitting there. I'm signing an order resetting the matter out to March 28th. Now, you can get a copy of today's order by going to the window as you leave the courtroom, and we're going to be sending your attorney a copy of the order as well. Any questions at all? Thank you for appearing, and you take care of yourself. That concludes the hearing, Mr. Bradshaw. You take care, and we'll be sending Mr. Melvin a copy at the.
All right. Thank you. You too, Your Honor.
That leaves Eric.